Right then folks, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching this. This is going to be a quick video, basically showing you how I quote. What we're dealing with today is block paving, as you can see, all the way around here. Ready to set this house now. All this block paving to do. So I've got this app, Cam to Plan, says that one there. Click this plus button. You don't want premium, you don't need premium, just cancel that, and then click horizontal, ready. And then what you need to do is just kind of show the phone, you know, what you're doing. And then it will come up with this little, there you can see that little red anchor point. Start in one corner, so we'll start over here. And then what we'll do is, I don't know if you can see this very well, I'll try and put the phone right next to it. You just measure all the way around, like so. And then all you need to do is basically walk around the whole perimeter. And what it will do is it will calculate the square meterage for you. Very long. It will literally take you 5 minutes maximum when you get to a job. And obviously you need to account for, obviously that's an oil stain, so you need to get that out. Yeah, once you get back to your starting point, as you can see there, I'm back to my starting point. Hello doggy. Press save. And then done. And then what it will do there, as you can see that, it will tell you how many square meters it is. So we're at 30, we'll say 32 square meters. So for block paving, my standard pricing, obviously I worked out what I need to do to be able to, you know, pay for sand, the job, how long it will take, and all the things I have to take into account, all that oil stain I have to take into account, all of that. So I have a set price, which I think for most people isn't always similar. It depends where you live. So I live down in Essex, so it's slightly more expensive than what it is up north. You need to take into account sand, you know, you need to check the water pressure. If you know the water's not going to be very fast, you know, you have to keep constantly turning off. Add that into your quote. So obviously if we take that 32 square meters, so what we can do is, bit of a shout out here, go onto Google and type in smelt. I know Jakey will love this if he's watching. Smelt.club, like that. Press go. And then you can type in the area size, 32 square meters. Base price, he's got it at £3, so we'll keep it at that. Click resanding. Cost of sand has actually gone up from £6.90, it's £9.20 or 60 or something like that. 50p labour, so we're going to need 2 bags of sand apparently. I don't know how accurate that is. Total cost of sand £18, sand labour £16. The total for the job is £130. And obviously that's off a basis of £3 a square metre. But if we change that to, you know, whatever you're going for, £4 a square metre. £4 a square metre, £9.20 bag of sand, 2 bags of sand, £162 final price, £5.1 per square metre. So obviously that's how you work it out. Just a quick little video to show you. But that Cam to Plan app is fantastic. It's what I use to quote all my jobs. Well, patios, driveways. I don't use it for anything else because obviously you can't use it for roofs or anything like that. So yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. If this helps you out, do let me know. I just thought I'd film a quick video to try and help you guys out. Anyway, enjoy your day. Have a good one. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in 2 days' time for a big old roof clean. Anyway, enjoy, folks.